Hey there, burger enthusiasts. Get ready to sink your teeth into an exciting video that uncovers the hidden secrets and unknown facts about the massive burger. This iconic culinary creation has captured the hearts and taste buds of food lovers around the world. Join us as we delve into the intriguing history, mind-blowing statistics, and surprising trivia surrounding this massive delight. Let's get started. The origin story. Have you ever wondered where the massive burger originated? Well, it's time to unravel the mystery. This colossal burger has its roots in Mexico, where a visionary chef decided to create a burger experience like no other. That's right. It all began with a passion for pushing the boundaries of burger craftsmanship. The massive burger was born out of the desire to create a jaw-dropping culinary spectacle that would leave a lasting impression. Mind-blowing statistics. Prepare to be amazed by the mind-blowing statistics of the massive burger. Did you know that the average weight of this mammoth creation exceeds the regular one's weight? It's a true heavyweight in the burger world. And if that's not impressive enough, consider this. The massive burger contains pounds of prime beef, slices of cheese, and strips of crispy bacon. It's a towering monument of indulgence. The secret ingredients. What makes the massive burger truly unique are its secret ingredients. While we can't reveal them all, there are a few surprises we can share. Absolutely. Apart from the usual suspects like lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles, this burger is often graced with a special secret sauce that adds an extra layer of flavor. It's the secret ingredient that takes it to the next level. Unveiling the eating challenges. Did you know that the massive burger has become the ultimate challenge for food enthusiasts? People from all walks of life attempt to conquer this towering titan within a certain time limit. Some restaurants even offer prizes and recognition for those who successfully finish the massive burger challenge. It's not just about eating a delicious meal, it's about testing one's limits and achieving glory. Celebrity endorsements. Even celebrities can't resist the allure of the massive burger. Over the years, several renowned figures have publicly expressed their love for this gastronomic masterpiece. From A-list actors to sports icons, the massive burger has captured the attention of the rich and famous. It's a testament to its undeniable appeal and flavor. There you have it, folks. The massive burger holds more than just its impressive size, it boasts a fascinating history, mind-boggling statistics, secret ingredients, and even celebrity endorsements. It's a culinary adventure that continues to captivate burger lovers worldwide. We hope you enjoyed uncovering the unknown facts about the massive burger with us. Remember to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring and savoring the wonders of the culinary world.